At our first stop, I have been wanting to try this lobster roll forever. It's actually a food truck, so this will be a late lunch for us.
You get a 2 hot lobster roll.
I felt like the lobster roll was really good, but it was also very touristy.
Yeah.
It was still really good. The roll was really crisp. Light on the vegetables for sure.
It was cold.
And the lobster was cold, but it was like warm butter. It was good. Little trolley. Before we left, I took all the produce we had in the fridge, gave it away, and then I saved a couple things so that I could slice it up and have it for a snack and put it in our cooler. So I'm just gonna show you what I have in there. Okay, so we have red peppers. These are cucumbers from the garden. They look so good. You can't tell the color in this light, it's so dark. And then what did I have? These bars are not my favorite, honestly, but they were just in the fridge. So I took them, water, and then Spindrift. What's this? Oh, my kiwi. Last night we went to Empire Chinese. It's kind of like an upscale Chinese place. And we ordered the fried rice, chicken teriyaki, and then the green beans. And I got this drink. It was like a coconut jasmine, I don't know, I changed it, but it was basically like coquito. It was really delicious. And they forgot our soup dumplings, which I was upset about, but it was plenty of food as it was, so it actually ended up being perfect. I would definitely go back there and try their egg rolls, because we didn't try those, and the spring rolls too. So we're glamping, which means we have tents that have like a shower and a toilet, and we have a bed inside. It's really cool. And then we have the main, like the main tent or the main lodge where you have like, you could have breakfast there, and there's a beautiful, it's on the harbor, so you can sit out and just look at the water. So we've been doing that each morning with our tea and coffee. Yesterday we hiked for like 10 miles, unintentionally of course. We just got lost and we were trying to find a trail because the park that we were going to is very crowded, so we had to park kind of away from all the trails and then like walk up and then do the trail. So it turned into like a 10-mile hike, which was great, but I was so beat. And we ended up going to dinner then really late at like 8:15. We had a reservation for this place that was, I think it was Cuban, so it was a very long day and I slept very well last night. And then today we're going out to breakfast. There's this really cute diner in Bar Harbor that we've been going to, and yesterday I got a like an egg burrito with like scrambled eggs, black beans, and then we ended up just snacking on the stuff I had packed in the cooler, so it was good that we had that for lunch. And then we, for dinner, went to that restaurant and I got a squash soup and a salad. Both of them looked beautiful, but honestly, I don't think they were out of this world. I probably wouldn't go back unless I got the paella, but Ryan doesn't like paella, so he didn't get that. So that was a snapshot of our trip to Portland, Bar Harbor, and Kennebunkport, Maine. And as a dietitian, I like to experience the food scene. My goal of the trip isn't to just stick to a set of eating rules to stay on track, but really my intention is to feel my best and also experience the unique restaurants and spots that are in Maine. So this is part of eating with a nourishment mindset. It's something that I live by and that I also teach my clients as well. And being flexible and having that balance comes when you become more aware of the subtle signs from your body and when you look at nutrition from this nourishment lens. So a common approach to going on vacation is to check out and to go all out. And we think that that is going to feel good and it's indulgent. But when the reality kicks in is that it doesn't actually feel that good, and staying connected with your body and honoring what your body is feeling really leaves you feeling your best. So making choices after having checked in with your body, which means noticing your body's cues and signals that you might easily otherwise ignore, that's what helps taste new foods and eat in a different way than I would eat when I'm at home without overeating or undereating or feeling bad about my food choices and my body. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.